Welcome. I'm Jashandeep Kaur. Today is day 4 of our yoga journey. We'll begin with soft and simple stretches to wake up your body and calm your mind. Let's begin by standing tall and focusing on your breath. Tadasana, mountain pose. Stand with your feet together. Arms relaxed by your side. Spine tall and strong. Spread your toes slightly. Press into the ground with your feet. Inhale and raise both arms overhead. Stretch your fingers toward the sky. Lift through the chest gently. Hold here and breathe. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Take 2 more breaths. Now slowly release your arms back down. Pause. Now let's gently move into the next posture. Side stretch, arms overhead. Inhale and lift both arms again. Interlock your fingers. Turn the palms upward. Reach up tall. Now slowly bend to the right. Feel the stretch in your left side. Hold here and breathe. Inhale. Exhale. Return to center. Now gently bend to the left side. Stretch the right side of your body. Hold for 2 slow breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Return to center. Release your arms. Pause. Let's continue into our next movement. Uttanasana, forward bend. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Inhale deeply. Exhale and fold forward from the hips. Let your arms and head hang naturally. Relax the shoulders. Soften the knees if needed. Place your hands wherever they reach, on your shins, ankles, or the floor. Breathe deeply. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more slow breaths. Now slowly inhale and rise back up to standing, 1 vertebra at a time. Pause. Now let's gently come down to the floor for a seated stretch. Seated spinal twist. Sit with both legs extended. Bend your right knee. Place your right foot on the outside of your left leg. Place your right hand behind your back. Bring your left elbow to the outside of your right knee. Inhale and lift through the spine. Exhale and gently twist to the right. Hold for 3 deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Feel the twist in your spine. Come back to center. Now switch sides. Bend your left knee. Place your left foot outside your right leg. Right elbow to the left knee. Twist to the left side. Inhale. Exhale. And breathe for 2 more breaths. Return to center. Pause. Let's now move to hands and knees for our spinal flow. Cat-cow pose. Come onto your hands and knees. Wrists under shoulders. Knees under hips. We'll do 4 gentle rounds of cat-cow. Round 1. Inhale. Drop your belly. Lift your head. Cow pose. Exhale. Round your spine. Tuck your chin. Cat pose. Round 2. Inhale and open the chest. Exhale. Round your spine. Round 3. Inhale. Arch your back. Exhale. Stretch and round. Round 4. Inhale. Lift your heart. Exhale. Gently round and press into your hands. Return to a neutral spine. Pause. Now let's transition into a resting pose. Child's pose, Balasana. Bring your big toes together. Separate your knees wide. Sit back on your heels. Gently fold forward. Let your forehead rest on the mat. Stretch your arms forward, or let them relax beside your body. Breathe slowly. Take 3 deep breaths. Inhale. Exhale. Let your hips and spine relax. Now gently lift your head. Return to a seated position. Pause. Let's now loosen the neck and shoulders before we close. Neck and shoulder rolls. Sit comfortably. Let's begin with 4 slow shoulder rolls going backward. Inhale, lift the shoulders. Exhale, roll them back and down. Repeat for 3 more rounds. Now roll shoulders forward. Repeat for 4 more gentle rounds. Now gently stretch your neck. Drop your right ear to your right shoulder. Hold for 1 breath. Return to center. Now left ear to left shoulder. Hold for 1 breath. Return to center. Now slowly circle the head clockwise. Complete 2 gentle rounds. Now circle the head counterclockwise. Complete 2 more rounds. Sit tall and still. Pause. Let's close this practice with stillness. Bring your palms together at your heart. Close your eyes or keep a soft gaze. Take 1 final breath in. And gently breathe out. Now repeat with me. I am calm, grounded, and ready for the day. Thank you for joining this peaceful morning stretch. I'm Jashandeep Kaur. I'll see you again in the next session.